This is Adendorffs, a financial firm that provides a broad range of services with our main areas of focus being Business Process Outsourcing, accounting and tax, advisory, specialized and tailored solutions. In today's age of rising costs, specialized systems, multinational structures and an ever-changing business environment, business processes are often neglected and are unadaptable. We at Adendorffs provide a cost-effective, shared and centralized business process outsource solution. How do we operate? We make use of modular resource networks to efficiently meet deadlines and project requirements. The building blocks of our modular approach are our employees and the tailor-made processes that we have designed around them. Our approach allows for input, strategy and review from our senior business and team leaders without compromising on our cost effectiveness. We also believe that in order to add the most value, we need to collaborate with our clients. We ensure that we understand client needs by working closely with client staff to achieve our mutual operational and strategic goals.
In working with Adendorffs, Aon Hewitt has found a true collaborative working relationship. We initiated a significant pensions administration rectification project in 2011. From the outset, Adendorffs was a key cog in our resourcing strategy. Now in 2014, 3 years along this project, this remains to be the case. We believe that there are 5 characteristics of Adendorffs which has made this partnership such a success. Firstly, cost effectiveness. The way in which Adendorffs charges for its resources, the transparency with which this is done has been a significant benefit to our business. Secondly, the quality of management resources that Adendorffs provides takes the load off my own managers. Thirdly, the quality of the resources provided by Adendorffs has been excellent. We get young, hungry university graduates who are eager to learn and eager to prove themselves. This has been a true benefit in terms of getting work done. Fourthly, the flexibility of resourcing has been excellent, whether we need more resources or fewer resources. That is addressed in the short term to our satisfaction, which has been very helpful in managing the project. Finally, the collaborative approach that is taken to problem solving has resulted in this project being so successful 3 years down the line. I would not hesitate to recommend Adendorffs to any organization for their short-term or permanent staffing needs. They have worked excellently for my organization.
Our team leaders are able to tailor solutions including collaborative and scalable strategies that meet goals and objectives within budget. Our vast experience allows us to provide a custom solution using industry-setting norms. Implementation and execution follows with clearly defined and communicated plans. All of our staff members hold tertiary qualifications in at least one of our areas of expertise, allowing us to deliver a unique solution that adds value. Our recruitment process, managed by our senior business leaders, ensures we only appoint the best. Our scalability is achieved through rigorous staff training and ultimate performance-based promotion. This allows us to retain our high-quality individuals and continue to provide our solutions in a cost-effective manner. Our triangle model can multiply and be scaled without compromising our solutions' quality. Our services are mainly delivered from South Africa.
My name is Linda de Beer and I would like to tell you a little bit about South African business and some interesting stats about the South African economy. Firstly, it's important to realize that we're the biggest economy on the African continent and also the 25th biggest economy in the world if you measure it by GDP. We are therefore part of the G20 nation. And if you look at the World Economic Forum's annual Global Competitive Survey, South Africa is ranked first in quite a number of instances. Our legal rights, the quality of our accounting and auditing standards or our reporting standards, and also with the best run stock exchange in the world. In addition to that, we ranked first when it comes to the priority as insofar as the protection of minority shareholders are concerned. In South Africa, for quite a number of years already, we have adopted international financial reporting standards. In other words, our listed and non-listed companies prepare financial statements using these internationally recognized standards. Why is that important? It's important because more than 100 countries in the world have already adopted these standards. And that means that when you read a set of financial statements in South Africa, it's written in a language that's spoken in more than 100 countries, and you can therefore rely on it. I would like to conclude by reading you a quote from one of my countrymen that is more famous probably than any South African, and that is the late Nelson Mandela. What he said is, "My country is rich in minerals and gems that lie beneath the soil, but I have always known that its greatest wealth is its people, finer and truer than the purest diamonds."
South Africa is just 1 hour ahead of the UK and Europe, with English as the business and socially mutual language. South Africa has state-of-the-art airports, highways and transport systems with fast and reliable internet connectivity. It also has a favorable exchange rate for foreign investors. Adendorffs, your business process outsource solution.